Hey, so I'd like to share with you something that I found the other day, this work light. And it has three settings actually. I really can't tell the difference between the first and second setting, but it has the flashlight, and it has a stand, and let me show you how that works. Very well balanced. The other day, or today actually, I was under a sink and I needed a light pointing just the right way, and I used this, and it's very nice. Look at the balance on that. Look at that. You would think you would fall this way, but no. Nice, nice. Also going the other way, and also it has a magnet underneath, magnet over here, and of course it has a hook on top of that. So it has a stand, magnets, and a hook. $5.99 at Harbor Freight. It's not rechargeable. It takes 2 AA batteries, 175 lumens. I was about to buy something for I think around $29, 4,000 lumens. Who needs 4,000 lumens under a car hood or under a sink? That's when you need to wear sunglasses. But 175 lumens, that's plenty. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you because I was so excited. I found this in Harbor Freight on the end cap by the cash registers. And I just thought it was a great deal for $5.99. All right, see you around.